In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an About Us page to your Shopify online store. This small but significant step helps you connect with your customers by telling your story, sharing your mission, and building trust. So let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your store. Once there, look on the left-hand side of your screen for the Online Store menu option. When you click on Online Store Sets, a drop-down will appear. From that list, you'll select Pages. This is the area where you can view, edit, and create new pages for your store. Next, you'll find a button that says Add Page. This is your cue to start creating a new page that will house all the information you want to share about your business. Click Add Page to begin this process. Now, you'll see fields where you can start entering both a title and the content of your new page. When deciding on a page title, clarity is key. Make sure it's descriptive, as this will help with search engine optimization and ensure that visitors to your site can easily find the information they'll be looking for. A straightforward title like About Us often works best, but you can get creative as long as it conveys the purpose of the page. For the page content, take the time to craft a narrative that highlights the journey of your business. Start by introducing who you are and what motivated you to start your store. Share any unique values or missions that drive you. Also, personal stories or interesting facts about your business can make your About Us page more engaging and memorable. It's an opportunity to connect on a personal level, so be genuine and let your brand's personality shine through. Once you have your content polished and the title set, you'll need to decide on the visibility settings for this page. In the visibility section, you have the option to publish the page immediately or keep it hidden until you're ready. If your content is finalized and approved, go ahead and publish it right away, making your About Us page accessible to your customers. However, if you feel you need a little more time to tweak your content or design, select the option to keep it unpublished and revisit it when you're ready to go live. And there you have it. You've successfully added an About Us page to your Shopify online store. Remember, a compelling About Us page can do wonders for your brand image. It has the power to communicate your authenticity and build lasting relationships with your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guidance on mastering your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.